and welcome to Insurance World TV, your go-to channel for all information regarding insurance. Today, we take a detailed look at an insurance policy document. This is a step-by-step guide on how to read and understand your policy document. Section 1. Introduction. Unraveling the enigma of insurance policies. Insurance policies are essential for financial protection. They safeguard against unexpected events. However, many find these documents complex and confusing. This guide provides a clear, step-by-step approach to understanding your insurance policy, empowering you to make informed decisions. Ignoring the details of your policy can have significant consequences. It may result in denied claims or inadequate coverage. By investing time to understand your policy, you can avoid potential financial pitfalls and ensure you have the right protection. Think of your insurance policy as a roadmap. It outlines the route of coverage, highlighting what is and isn't included. By familiarizing yourself with this roadmap, you can confidently navigate the complexities of insurance. This guide will break down the essential components of an insurance policy. It will explain their significance in simple terms using relatable examples. Section 2. Demystifying the preamble. The policy's foundation. The preamble is the opening section of your insurance policy. It serves as the foundation, outlining key information about the agreement between you and the insurer. Understanding the preamble is crucial as it sets the context for the entire policy. The preamble typically identifies the parties involved, you, the policyholder, and the insurance company. It also specifies the type of insurance covered, such as auto, home, or health insurance. The policy number, a unique identifier for your contract, is prominently displayed in the preamble. Additionally, the preamble states the policy period, the time frame during which coverage is active. This period is usually defined by specific start and end dates. It's essential to be aware of these dates to ensure continuous coverage. Carefully review the definition section within the preamble. This section clarifies the meaning of key terms used throughout the policy document. Understanding these definitions is crucial for accurate interpretation of coverage. Section 3. Decoding the schedule. Your personalized coverage blueprint. The schedule or declarations page is your personalized coverage blueprint. It tailors the policy to your specific needs. This section outlines what is insured and for how much. Review it carefully to verify accuracy. Section 4. Grasping the essence of insuring agreements, the heart of your policy. The Insuring Agreements section forms the heart of your insurance policy. It outlines the insurer's promise to provide coverage and specifies the types of losses or events covered. This section is crucial as it defines the scope of protection provided by the policy. Insuring agreements are typically written in broad terms, outlining the general categories of coverage. For example, an auto insurance policy might include insuring agreements for liability coverage, collision coverage, and comprehensive coverage. Each insuring agreement will have specific conditions and limitations that define the extent of coverage. It's essential to read these conditions carefully to understand the boundaries of the insurer's promise. For instance, liability coverage in an auto policy might cover damages caused to others if you are at fault in an accident. However, it might exclude intentional acts or damages exceeding a certain limit. Understanding the insuring agreements is paramount for knowing when you are protected and when you are not. If you're unsure about the scope of coverage, contact your insurance agent or company for clarification. Section 5. Navigating the labyrinth of exclusions, what's not covered. While the insuring agreements outline what is covered, the exclusions section details what is not covered by your insurance policy. It lists specific situations, events, or losses for which the insurer will not provide coverage. Exclusions are crucial for managing expectations and avoiding surprises when filing a claim. They are designed to limit the insurer's liability and maintain the affordability of premiums. Common exclusions across different types of insurance policies include intentional acts, negligence, and normal wear and tear. For instance, if you damage your own property intentionally, your insurance will likely deny coverage. Specific exclusions exist for different types of insurance. For example, auto insurance might exclude coverage for damage caused while driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Carefully review the exclusions section to avoid assuming you have coverage when you don't. If any exclusions are unclear, seek clarification from your insurance professional. Section 6. Understanding conditions, your responsibilities as a policyholder. The conditions section of your insurance policy outlines your responsibilities as a policyholder. It details the actions you must take to maintain coverage and receive benefits in the event of a loss. One crucial condition is the duty to pay premiums on time. Failure to do so may result in policy lapse or denial of coverage. The conditions section will specify the grace period for late payments and the consequences of non-payment. Another important condition is the duty to report covered losses promptly to the insurer. Delays in reporting may prejudice the insurer's ability to investigate the claim and could lead to claim denial. The conditions section also outlines the process for resolving disputes with the insurer. It may specify the procedures for filing a complaint or pursuing arbitration in case of disagreement over coverage. Understanding and adhering to the conditions of your policy are crucial for maintaining valid coverage and ensuring a smooth claims process. Failure to meet these conditions could jeopardize your ability to receive benefits. Section 7. Endorsements and riders, tailoring your policy to your needs. Endorsements and riders are modifications to your standard insurance policy that allow you to customize coverage to your specific needs. They can add, delete, or modify provisions to provide more comprehensive protection. Endorsements are typically used to add coverage for items or events not included in the standard policy. For example, you can add a rider to your homeowner's insurance to cover valuable jewelry or artwork. Riders can also modify existing coverage limits or deductibles. If you need higher liability coverage for your auto insurance, you can purchase a rider to increase the limit. Endorsements and riders provide flexibility in tailoring your insurance policy to your unique circumstances. They allow you to fill coverage gaps or enhance protection for specific assets or activities. When considering endorsements or riders, carefully review the terms and conditions, including any additional costs. Understand how these modifications affect your coverage and premiums. Section 8. Deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance. Sharing the cost of coverage. Deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance are cost-sharing mechanisms in insurance policies. They determine how much you pay out of pocket for covered medical expenses before your insurance coverage kicks in. A deductible is the amount you must pay before your insurance starts covering expenses. For example, if your policy has a $500 deductible, you'll pay the first $500 of covered expenses, and your insurance will cover the rest. A copay is a fixed amount you pay for a specific medical service, such as a doctor's visit or prescription drug. Copays typically range from a few dollars to a fixed amount depending on the service. Co-insurance is the percentage of covered expenses you share with your insurance company after meeting your deductible. For instance, if your co-insurance is 20%, you'll pay 20% of covered expenses, and your insurance will cover the remaining 80%. Understanding deductibles, copays, and co-insurance is crucial for managing your healthcare costs. Choose a plan with cost-sharing options that align with your budget and healthcare needs. Making a claim a step-by-step guide. Filing an insurance claim can seem daunting, but understanding the process can make it smoother. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the claims process. 1. Report the loss. Contact your insurance company immediately. Provide necessary details like date, time, and location. 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documentation. These documents will support your claim. 3. Complete claim forms. Provide accurate information. 4. Cooperate with the adjuster. They will assess the damages. 5. Review the settlement offer. Ensure it covers your losses. 7. Receive payment. The insurer will issue payment for covered expenses. Disputing a claim denial, protecting your rights. Claims can be denied, but don't despair. You have the right to dispute the denial. Understand the reason for denial. Gather supporting evidence. File an appeal. Consider external review. Seek legal assistance if needed. Advocate for your rights. Section 11. Conclusion. Empowering yourself through insurance literacy. Understanding your insurance policy is not merely about deciphering complex language, it's about empowering yourself to make informed decisions about your financial well-being. By investing the time to familiarize yourself with the different sections of your policy, from the preamble to the exclusions, you equip yourself with the knowledge to navigate the often confusing world of insurance. Remember, your insurance policy is a contract between you and the insurer. It outlines the terms of coverage, your rights, and your responsibilities. By comprehending these terms, you can ensure you have adequate protection, avoid potential disputes, and maximize the benefits of your insurance coverage. Don't hesitate to reach out to your insurance agent or company if you have any questions or need clarification on any aspect of your policy. They are there to assist you and provide guidance. By becoming insurance literate, you take control of your financial security and make informed choices that protect you and your loved ones.